guys, for the next lesson, lesson number 2, we start worrying about pivoting your emotional well-being. So with that last lesson, we did the data dump, right? You wrote every emotion that you feel, where you are in life, where you think you should have been, all that stuff, right? Really deep within your soul after looking in that mirror for that anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. Now this time I want you to take a piece of paper and again, take your journal, fold a piece of paper right in half. Left side, I want you to put where you are now, right side where you want to be. Now after you fold the page, I want you to break it down to 3 different sections: personal, professional, and family. So you got personal, professional, family. It doesn't matter what order you have, as long as you have left column, right column. The left column is going to be what you don't like, where you are now that's bothering you. The right side is where you want to be, and then you have personal, professional, and family. Now write the bad on the left, and I want you to pivot that talk to the right. So say on your personal, you're 10 pounds overweight. On the left side, the right side is you want to lose 10 pounds. Next one is you're being underpaid, you're not being fully appreciated your job. Next side, I want to be paid more, I want to find a new job, maybe put a resume in, maybe start a new business. Personal, maybe you're not spending enough time with your family because you're working too hard. Right side, spend some time with your family. All right, guys, that's lesson 2. So lesson 1 was to dig deep into your soul. Lesson 2 is to divide that paper, the nows, where you want to be. All right, guys, see you next lesson.